If you own or are considering purchasing a brand new Nissan Frontier, this video is a must-see. We're going to remove the rough country lift that was installed previously on our 2022 Nissan Frontier and replace it with the new Nismo off-road high-performance front suspension and rear suspension kit. And then we're going to take it off-road and see how it performs. Now, these Nismo high-performance suspension kits are brand new, and you can adjust the amount of lift from stock height to 1 inch and then a max of 2 inches, both front and rear. We're going to set our new lift at 2 inches, and then we're going to test it out. We're going to take it off-roading and see how it performs. Now, these kits are pretty affordable. For the front performance shock kit, it's only $1,092, and then for the rear is only $400 plus installation. Now, these parts are available in the Nissan parts bin. However, when you say Travis sent you at Tim Dahle NISSAN in Southtowne, we can save you up to hundreds of dollars on that kit. And when you purchase your new Nissan Frontier through Tim Dahle NISSAN in Southtowne, we can include the cost of the lift inside your loan. Any way you slice it, this is going to be a fun project. Please subscribe to our channel for notifications and updates. Stay tuned for more videos to come. We're looking forward to doing this project. Take care.